To solve this problem, we must apply Little's Law to determine the flow rate for each position within Mount Kinley Consulting firm. Let's first diagram out the career progression for a Mount Kinley consultant. They begin their career out of MBA as an associate, and the firm has 200 of these. After 4 years in that role, they have the opportunity to be promoted to manager, of which the firm has 60. Then, after another 6 years, they can become partner. The firm has 20 partners, each of which stay an average of 10 years before leaving the firm. At each of these points, there's also an opportunity for Mount Kinley to dismiss their lowest performing consultants. Now that we have an understanding of the flow throughout their career, let's have a look at how many MBA graduates Mount Kinley has to hire each year to maintain this inventory throughout the firm. Applying Little's Law, which is R is equal to I over T, we can get the flow rate. There's an inventory of 200 associates within the firm at any given time, each of which stay within that role for 4 years. Solving that equation, we get a flow rate of 50 associates. What that means is Mount Kinley needs to bring in 50 new MBAs each year to maintain the number of people in their firm. But it also means that there are 50 that are up for manager promotion each given year. That is the answer to Part A. To determine the answer to Part B, we'll need to duplicate that calculation for both the manager and partner level. For managers, we have an inventory of 60, and they have an average tenure of 6 years, which gives us a flow rate of 10. Amongst the partner ranks, we have 20 of them and a tenure of 10 years, which gives us a flow rate of 2 partners. Now, if we think about how to apply those numbers across their careers, we can determine the probabilities of being promoted at each step. So there are 50 associates that complete their time as an associate each year, of which 10 become new managers. That's equal to 20%. In terms of the promotion cycle from manager to partner, there's 10 that are exiting the manager ranks, but only 2 are becoming new partners each year, which is also equal to 20%. If we multiply the chances of an associate becoming a manager times the chances of a manager becoming a partner, we get a probability of 4% that a new hired MBA graduate will eventually make partner. And that is the answer to Part B.